Hello, yes, good morning, everybody. I hope you can hear my voice and at the same time see my screen. So I'd like us to start off our analysis with the chart on my screen. We are having a Euro USD. So we have a very good resistance trend line here. We have a very good resistance trend line. Then have another one here, which is a very good supportive trend line. So as it is right now, we are looking for a buy position from along this trend line and a sell position from along this trend line. If the price goes up to this point and ends up breaking and closing above it, then that will be a good sign that we're now continuing to the upper side. If the price breaks below this trend line, then that will be another sign that we're now continuing to the lower side. So we'll expect the sellers to push price downwards at least up to this point here, which is 1.08298. The next chart is a GBP USD. This is upwards. We have a very good trend line here. Now you can see what happened. We actually had price break and close above it. This was a good resistance. We had a resistance. The price closed above it. So as it is right now, we are looking for buy positions. We do expect that the price may pull back at least up to this trend line before eventually heading to the upper side. So that's my opinion on this chart. The next chart I want us to have a look at is the US dollar Japanese yen. This chart here, we are looking for buy positions still, but we have a very good resistance level. We have a very good resistance level here. So ideally, if the price goes up and touches this line, this should give us a good place to look for a sell from. Expect the bars to push us up at least up to this point, where we will be looking for a sell position. We will expect that the sellers will push us downwards with the first target fixed at this price, and the next target is fixed at this price here. So my next chart is the Bitcoin. Bitcoin so far, where the price is right now is a range. So we have that, then we have that. So we have a very good zone here. We have the upper resistance, we have the lower support. If the price should go at least up to this point, this should give us a good place to look for a buy from. If the price moves up and touches the line we have at the top, this should give us a good place to look for a sell from. In case the price descends below this line, 2694.3.26, this should be a good place to look for a sell from. We are expecting that the sellers will push price downwards at least up to 19533.84. My next chart is Brent oil. So with Brent oil so far, it looks like the price is moving to the upper side, but we are actually looking for this level here. We expect the price to move at least up to this point. So we have a support, there is a break. When the price goes up and touches this line, this should be the ideal place to look for a sell from. So expect that a move up to this point will attract a sell position. Our stop loss will be fixed at the high of this candle, this high here. Then our take profit is fixed at this low. So that is my opinion on those charts. The other chart is gold. So it looks like gold went upwards, back and forth, but as it is now, the price is actually consolidating. Basically, this is a good resistance. We had a resistance. We had a resistance, we had a resistance, we had a support, we had a support, we had a support, we had a support. If the price goes down and touches this line, this should be a good place to look for a buy from. So expect that the price may move down up to this point where we'll be looking for a buy position. So thank you very much. That should bring us to the end of today's analysis. We'll meet again tomorrow at the same time. Thank you and see you.